Hello, everyone. Welcome to India Today. So, today we have a really special team with us who's here to promote their upcoming film, Kahan Shuru Kahan Khatam. I'm sure the title, as it sounds unique, the storyline is going to be different and I think it's going to give more twist. So, I think without further delay, let's skip to the good part and let's, talk about to the team and know more about their journey and special anecdotes that they would like to share with us. So, welcome everybody. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining
Thank
us
you for
in India
having
today.
us.
My first question is with Dhani. First are usually very special. This is going to be your debut film. And, singing in the studio and actually being on the set while you are facing the camera is quite different. How did you tackle that? I mean, how did you feel? Nervous, jitters? What was your thought process back then?
Being on set of a music video again is different. I have faced the camera before, but never as another person, never as another character. So that was quite challenging. But I think Lakshman sir and Saurabh made sure that I was ready before I went on set, and every time I had it was a very safe space for me to ask them questions, to constantly, need their help for Meera, and they never made me feel like I couldn't. They always were very encouraging and. That I could play her really well. I feel like that note is very important from the director and the producer to the actor. And since it's my debut film, the confidence that they've shown in me and the way they have been there for me, and I have completely surrendered to the both of them throughout, and I just did as they told me, and I think it's turned out really well.
uh, Lakshman, sir, your films are somewhere, it gives unique, you try to give unique twist to your plot lines. Be it any film, like Hindi medium, there is Mimi, there is Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya, where how would someone know that a robot could actually be in love with a human? So you try to give very unique perspectives to your stories. With this, it's a situational comedy where, two characters are stuck. How did you come across this theory ki, something of this can happen on screen or in real life?
The idea basically the seed actually came from Saurabh
Okay.
because he wanted to make a film on a gate crasher. A young boy, by profession he is a teacher, but वो होता है ना हर एक इंसान दो जिंदगियां जीता है एक जो समाज को अच्छी लगती है एक जो खुद को अच्छी लगती है तो जो क्रिश जो है जो खुद के लिए समाज के लिए वो टीचर है बट खुद को एंजॉयमेंट देने के लिए वो गेट क्रैश करता है वो उसको अच्छा लगता है वो कलरफुल दुनिया रंगी बिरंगी कपड़े पहने हुई लड़कियां एंड फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है वो हमने कहानी लिखना शुरू किया बट द आइडिया एक्चुअली द सीड केम फ्रॉम सौरभ ओनली विथ हिज ओन एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ में
Then we should definitely know.
या सन वहाँ से वो कहानी शुरू हुई एंड एज यूजुअल एज यू सेड के वेदर इट इज लुक्का छुपी हो मिमी हो जरा अटके हो आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू टेल स्टोरीज विद द laughter. I want people to laugh and watch the film. And while laughing, they should go home with some sweet message. That is the idea. And this film has the same genre. आप फिल्म हंसते 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 देखोगे इट्स अ लाफ्टर राइड इट्स अ फन राइड एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड इट विल पिंच यू एंड इट विल मेक यू रियलाइज दैट्स ट्रू वी डोंट रियलाइज इट बट यस इट इज ट्रू so it's that kind of film. I think everyone is going to love this film. That is for sure.
So as he said that, it is something that you came up with the idea. So, and it is your debut. So you wanted your first to be somewhat that is related to you, your experience.
I just felt it will be much more relatable and in my safe space, the world that I know, rather than trying to do something very different. So hence, I think this was the perfect thought that I could think of, and then I told sir, and he was kind enough. He said, "I think इसमें कुछ है," and then he wrote it completely, and you'll see the film where it has gone to.
How is your experience? Because, you are somewhat who wanted to, break the kind of image that you've played on the screen and you wanted to do such kind of script and film. So, ab karke, how is it now?
मैम मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं था so this wanting is a luxury I don't come from that luxury. और तो जब एक ऐसी opportunity आई, of course when you read the story on script level, then that's when you also feel like, yeah, this is something, the inspiration from a very सुलझा हुआ wedding crasher. So I feel like कि ऐसी story I don't think I have personally seen. Of course, we see a lot of comedy films, but a character like this just spoke to me. The kind of enthusiasm that he has spoke to me. The place where he comes from, the kind of representation that he has in terms of the family that he's from, and कहानी में क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं हम हंसते हंसाते, तो वो सारी चीज़ें एक बड़ी एक खूबसूरत तरीके से आई थिंक लिखी गई थी. तो मतलब कैसे जाने दे सकते इतनी प्यारी अपॉर्चुनिटी को ना, और इतना बढ़िया कैरेक्टर है. बिकॉज मैंने सीरियस रोल्स किए हैं थोड़े इससे पहले, तो मेरे लिए एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी कि मैं उसको ब्रेक करूं. और फिर बोरिंग भी हो जाता है ना कि आप एक ही तरीके के अगर कैरेक्टर्स करते रहें. बट हालांकि मेरे पिछले कैरेक्टर्स काफ़ी अलग हैं एक दूसरे से भी, बट आई फील कॉमेडी एक ऐसा स्पेस है जो मैं करना चाहता था. और एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट जब आपके पास आती है और अच्छे लोग आपसे जुड़ते हैं तो मज़ा आता है. तो आई थिंक वही मैं मज़े ले रहा था इस फिल्म के थ्रू.
But was it easy for you, considering the fact that the kind of roles that you've played, and comedy is one genre which is not that easy. Although the film is not exactly comedy where there are punches that you're going across, but वैसे in general, like, was it easy or difficult for you, basically?
It was easy because it was written like that. Okay, there was not a lot of improvisation as per. It was easy because I'm also somebody who likes to have fun. And when a character is written in a way where he's just like going about spreading joy, having fun, I think that's something that I relate to. So hence it was easy. The challenging part was that I mean लोगों को हंसाना मुश्किल है, बट उस बात का कभी प्रेशर नहीं लिया, क्योंकि जहाँ आप उस चीज़ का प्रेशर लेने लग जाते हो तो वो दिखता है. तो इट वाज मोर अबाउट हैविंग फन. इट वाज मोर अबाउट अ कोलैबोरेशन दैट वी ऑल हैड एंड वी वर ऑल इन इट. आई थिंक वो सब जब इंटेंट हमारा बहुत प्योर था, तो शुरू करने से पहले ये पिक्चर आई थिंक हमारी प्रेप बहुत अच्छी थी. तो जब हम फ्लोर पे गए तो we knew what we had to do. His vision was so clear. He knew exactly what shots to take, how much time to spend in a particular scene, कहाँ से शुरू करना है, कहाँ ख़त्म करना है. तो इसको सब पता था. And when it comes down from your captain, the whole match becomes a lot easier. The vision was clear. So for me, we were just having fun, and I had a ball. We had a great time shooting it, and that you will see when you watch the film. That's the entertaining part.
Saurabh, it is said that the director is the sailor of the ship. He's the captain of the ship. So how is these two? I mean, how, especially I'll start with Dhwani. How was she? Did she take takes? Because होता है first time में थोड़ा इंसान nervous हो जाता है. Am I doing good? Am I मतलब 5-6 shots के बाद do you think that I did not give my best? अंदर से एक वो होता है ना कि जब तक best नहीं आएगा तब तक हम करते ही जाएंगे. So how is she and then how is he?
This girl here, who is apparently it's her first film, she was so surrendering that एक बार मैंने I think 4th night था, मैं आशिम सर को कुछ समझा रहा था कि and I told her यार sit down यार, अभी बैठो आप. And then I turned and I looked, वो ज़मीन पे ही बैठी थी, रोड पे. We were shooting on the road, वो रोड पे ही बैठी हुई थी. मैं कहा क्या हो गया? नहीं तूने बोला बैठ जाओ तुम. मैं कहा अरे भगवान. ये कहानी मैं सुनाता हूँ. 2 बज गए थे रात के. इसने पहली बार पिक्चर कर रही है हमारी परी. ठीक है, तो इसको आदत नहीं थी कि मतलब अभी क्या, तो एक होता है कि आपका एक कोटा होता है दिन का मेहनत करने का. तो उसके बाद जब आपको मेहनत करवाते हैं तो आप दूसरी दुनिया के वासी हो जाते हो. तो ये वहाँ पहुँच चुकी थी, ये छोड़ गई थी हमारा प्लानट. तो इन्होंने बोला सीन था कि मैं ये सो गई हैं और एक रिक्शा में बैठी हैं और मुझे इन्हें उठाना है और हमें बाहर आना है. तो इसने पूछा कि सर मैं क्या करूँ. कहती है तुम बैठ जाओ अभी. तो सीन जब हुआ, मैं उसके बाद टेक ख़त्म हुआ तो ये उठी और रिक्शा के अंदर वहाँ पर नीचे जो होता है वहीं बैठ गई. तो मैं और ये देख रहे हैं कि कर क्या रही है.
तो कहती है आप ही ने तो बोला था बैठने के लिए और ऐसे ऐसे ऊपर देख रही
ये तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं वाला, तुम लोगों की स्टोरी गलत है। मैं बैठ गई थी बिकॉज आई मैं तो थक गई थी, उसमें वो लहंगा बहुत हैवी था
ध्वनि हम
और मैं ऐसे ऐसे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रही थी।
हम तारीफ
ये
कर
तो-
रहे हैं आपकी।
हाँ मतलब
आप उसको तारीफ है
हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है, गधे का बच्चा थोड़ी हूँ मैं।
एज यू कैन सी हम पूरे सेट पे यही
यही
करते
करते थे हम,
रहते
but-
थे एंड आई थिंक वही आपको ट्रेलर में भी नजर आ रहा होगा और फिल्म पे भी आएगा।
I think Dhwani, was it like a ragging sort of scene for you?
No, no,
For
no,
first time. कि कुछ करवाया नहीं इन्होंने, like ये do this, do that, कुछ भी नहीं.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा do
Nice.
this do that नहीं,
Very supportive.
very supportive. I love these two boys. I think that's-
So you somewhere said that your character has resemblance with Geet from Chubby
अरे
Man.
यार मैंने नहीं बोला यार।
Chubby ने.
I'll tell you, I think इसने ऐसा बोला नहीं है, but the relatability of her and Geet is that Geet was also a free-spirited girl who ran, and she also did the same things, and that takes a lot of strength, and that's what the character relatability is. That's what it is.
I think that's what I said, and but I didn't mention Geet at all actually. I think these were two different questions. They said who do you like the most, and I instantly said Kareena Kapoor because I really love her. Like growing up, I think I've just admired her so much that some of I think mannerisms भी थोड़े मेरे अंदर आ गए. But I think this was a different question where how we can relate is I think yes, free spirited and the will to sort of live your own life with your own ideals and not have it laid out for you by your parents or anybody else, your guardian, whatever, whoever. And use your mind to live your life. I think Meera is someone who also believes in that, and that's why she runs away when decisions are taken for her.
For the script also, sir, you took dialogues that are very relatable, like lockdown lagwa do. There's this line lockdown lagwa. So it was something that you wanted to take from what is happening around, so that audience could relate to what is happening on screen. Because you know your scripts and your stories are almost that something that we see around that is happening in our life. So that audience can get glued to your
Yeah.
ये हो रहा
Because
है
2
actually.
years back, 2 years back only, we have gone through the situation. It was very serious situation. I mean, lockdown and pandemic and all. But we have taken those lines or words in a very funny way. Here, that like एक गुंडा कैसे शादी के बाद
Exactly, I was about-
लॉकडाउन लगा दो, सबको आइसोलेट कर दो, जब तक मेरा वापस नहीं आती ये कहीं कोई गया से बाहर नहीं जाएगा.
And there was a dialogue कि मेरी शादी के लिए मुझसे तो पूछा नहीं, तो कहते ये कौन पूछता है? I think there's also this that-
There's this piece. It's supposed to be a serious thing to talk about, but again, the whole film is is very subtle. Subtly, it'll tell you that these things are wrong. You know, you're supposed to ask a woman who she wants to marry, or even if she wants to get married. But then there's this dialogue that cuts with it saying, कौन पूछता है?
Two different thoughts basically. लड़की बोल रही है कि शादी करने से पहले एक बार पूछना तो चाहिए था, एंड उसके पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं कि ये भी कोई पूछने की बात है. सो एक्चुअली दैट्स अ सिचुएशन हमारे देश में. हम मुंबई, दिल्ली जैसे, बैंगलोर जैसे शहरों में रहने वाले लोगों को शायद ये पता नहीं होता, बट स्मॉल टाउन में जहाँ पे 70% अपनी हिंदुस्तान की औरतें घूंघट में हैं, तो यहाँ पर है ये रियलिटी है. मतलब वो ग्रांटेड लिया जाता है कि शादी करनी है, पूछना क्या है. तो लड़की की शादी करना मतलब चलो एक जिम्मेदारी से मुक्त हो गए, वो वाला एक थॉट है. बट उसी थॉट को हमने किस तरह से फन राइड में कन्वर्ट किया है और लोगों का मनोरंजन करते हुए किस तरह से उस चीज़ को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.
So I feel other than your scripts, now there's one thing that attracts me is the songs. If you look at, I mean, Mimi, the songs. If you look at तेरी बातों में उलझा जिया, if you look at ज़रा हटके ज़रा बच के, the songs were fab. So is it like a constant choice that you go and sit with the music director, or you kind of give them the liberty, that creative freedom? कि ठीक है, I trust you, you go with it, and then there's something that the result comes out like that.
The situation, you have to explain the right situation to the music director, because you end of the day they are the one who creates music. आप उनके साथ बैठ के क्या ही करोगे. But yeah, once you make them understand the situation, make them understand the character, make them understand the pain of those characters, the feeling of those characters, what kind of soul they are carrying. If you explain them so well, 100% they come up with the great thought and great melody. Because आप उनको राग तो नहीं बता सकते कि सा रे गा मा ये लाओ, आप उनको सिचुएशंस बता सकते हो और उस सिचुएशन की गंभीरता कितनी है, उसमें उसके अंदर डेप्थ कितनी है, आपके कैरेक्टर का सोल क्या है, वो अगर करेक्टली ट्रांसलेट करते हो आप उनको, दे विल कम अप विद ग्रेट म्यूजिक। बट यस, आज के तारीख में हर एक फिल्म के लिए अच्छा गाना होना ज़रूरी है। दैट्स बिकम अ नीड ऑफ एवरी फिल्म, आई मस्ट से।
I think that's commercially also कि
Oh
आपको
yes,
वो aspect रखना है
you have to
because-
keep that in mind.
Right. Also, my last question, ये films तो सारी हो गई. Now it's about like you've shift your curve to period drama with Chhawa. So how did that transition struck you? Okay, now it's been so long that I've done. Now it's come. I'm going to make a film on a Maratha hero where I'm going to show Vicky Kaushal with that new, different look. So how did that idea come to you? I mean, the transition.
Transition was actually, if you see, after every film there was a transition. Like Luka Chupi was a rom-com. Mimi was an emotional drama. Zara Hatke was definitely not a rom-com. It's a family drama. So every film was different, and I always feel I can make like this film I produced. Saurabh has directed. I always feel कि मैं एक genre की एक ही film बना सकता हूँ. Because I give my 200% to that. Whatever my experience, whatever I have learned, whatever मैंने देखा है, मैं सब कुछ दे देता हूँ. फिर मुझे लगता है अगर इस जॉनर की मैं और एक फिल्म बनाऊंगा ना, तो आई विल स्टार्ट डूइंग द रेफरेंसिंग, विच आई नेवर वांट टू डू इन माय लाइफ. Whatever, why my films people like and I get love from, because they are original. They are not copied from anything. Each and every situation, each and every dialogue is original. Mimi was inspired by a Marathi film called Malai, I say, but just the heart of the film. Rest was everything original. So after doing Small Towns 3 films, I thought कि चल कुछ बड़ा करते हैं. And I always everyone knows Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but no one knows about Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. I mean, he has such a great career. He was such a big warrior. No one knows about him. And in pandemic, when I read about Sambhaji Maharaj, I thought such a big character, and why we are not making film on him? And in pandemic only I started writing, and I said my next is going to be Chhawa. Because that character has so many shades, so many layers, and 10 साल का career है. His first war was when he was 22, and he died when he was 32. So छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ने जो स्वराज की जोत लगाई थी, संभाजी महाराज ने वो जोत से पूरे मुगल सल्तनत में आग लगा दी. Such a big character. So I really enjoyed. So I try every time कि जो last time बनाया था वो नहीं बनाते, अब कुछ अलग बनाते
Something
हैं.
out of the box.
Yeah, yeah.
And is period drama difficult? Considering the research and everything.
No, if
and
you अगर आपका homework सही है, अगर आपका pre-production बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, and as a director, if you personally know each and everything about that era, that character, then it is very easy. If you don't know, then it is going to be difficult.
because people are easy to judge and say that, oh, you're trying to distort the facts because somehow you take creator leverage and you try to twist something to make it more commercial also by looking at the aspect. So people are easy to judge and say, oh, they've tried to
वो
distort the
होता है
facts.
ना, people लोग गलत नहीं है, लोग कभी जनता कभी गलत ही नहीं हो सकती. See, एक वॉरियर है, एक रानी है. अगर उनका लव सॉन्ग आता है तो लोगों को लगता है भाई उनको ये लव सॉन्ग लवी डबी करने का टाइम नहीं था उस टाइम. उनकी पूरी जिंदगी गई लड़ते लड़ते, आप कहाँ उनको रोमांस करवा रहे हो. फिर लोग उंगली उठाते हैं. तो एक वॉरियर का काम था लड़ाई करना, बट सेम टाइम उसके जो इंटरनल रिलेशनशिप्स थे सबके साथ, वो अगर आप अच्छे से दिखा सकते हो, जस्टिफाई कर सकते हो सही ढंग से, तो लोगों को पसंद आता है. और हमने छावा में वही किया है. मतलब 10 साल का उनका जो करियर था, उनको जो जिंदगी थी, औरंगजेब और उनकी जो लड़ाई थी, वो बहुत अच्छे से विद ऑल द फैक्ट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक किताब है शिवाजी सावंत की, छावा, ये उस पे बेस्ड है बेसिकली। तो आई थिंक आपने टीजर तो देखा होगा, कहाँ शुरू हुआ था कहाँ खत्म हुआ।
So I think before I get much of this, I should wrap it. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, and all the very best for your film.
Thank you so
Thank you.